Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get free Robux. So first you need to go to Google and type Microsoft Robux. And by the way, this is a free site. Now just sign in. If you can access your account or log into your account, you can just create a new account. Just type a name, like I'm typing starmicrosoft@gmail.com. So this is the home page, as you can see. So this is how you get Robux. You can see these things like daily, set and more activities. So when you click on them, it will go to this page. So this will give you some points, and if you have enough points, you can redeem Robux, get that, so you will get Robux. So as you can see, this is your points breakdown. So there is PC search and mobile search. If you're in mobile, you can do mobile search. If you're on PC, you can do PC search. So you just type anything, so you'll get points, and if you have points, you can get Roblox digital card. So this is how you get it. You just give your phone number, then it will send a code to your Gmail. So just copy the pin. So now go to roblox.com, then type the code that you copied. So now as you can see, 100 Robux is added to my account. I hope you like my video, so please don't forget to subscribe and like. And see you in my next video.